Armour Battles Mission 2. Mission 2 Deployment. The Germans deploy first. The Germans deploy their Stugs in the field on the right. The Pumas are deployed behind the field on the left. As the Stugs are hidden units, they are removed from the table and their location is marked on the map. The US now deploy. The US deploy the M5 tanks in the centre of the table. The remaining US and German units will arrive as reserves from turn 2 onwards. In the next video, the US start their attack. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour Battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.